Welcome to Happy Hands and Hearts. Today, we clarify a massive confusion. People use the words AI, machine learning, and deep learning as if they are the same thing. But in the Knowledge Vault, we look at the logic of hierarchy. Think of a Russian nesting doll. You cannot have the tiny doll at the center without the big doll on the outside. This is a system of containment. Every piece of deep learning is machine learning, but not every AI is capable of learning. Level 1 is artificial intelligence. This is the logic of the goal. AI is simply the broad ambition to make a machine act like a human. This includes expert systems from the 1980s that follow thousands of rigid, if/then paths. Even your microwave or a basic calculator can be considered a form of narrow AI. It doesn't learn, it just executes. It is the outer shell, the intention of mimicking intelligence through any means possible. Level 2 is machine learning. This is the logic of the method. If AI is the goal, machine learning is the vehicle we use to get there. The logic here is data dependency. Unlike basic AI, which is programmed with rules, machine learning is a system that gets better as you feed it more data. It's like a muscle, it needs exercise to grow. It uses statistical algorithms to find the path on its own, but it still needs a human to tell it which features to look for. Level 3 is deep learning. This is the logic of the engine. This is the center of the nesting doll. While machine learning needs a human to say, "Look at the ears of the cat," deep learning doesn't need help. It uses neural networks to figure out the features for itself. This is the logic of complexity. It is the engine behind ChatGPT and self-driving cars. It is called a deep because it has many layers of processing, allowing the machine to understand hidden meanings, emotions, and complex patterns that even humans can't explain. The logic of the nesting doll helps us see the truth. AI is the dream, machine learning is the path, and deep learning is the power. By understanding the layers, you understand the machine. Logic is universal. Tools are temporary. Anybody can learn AI. Thank you for joining the vault.